Hey everybody, I've got some big news to pass on and I'm pretty excited about it. And if you want to learn how to win a lens like this one, worth 13,000 US dollars, stay tuned. I'm actually not joking. I've been thinking of doing something like this for a while, but the timing was never just right. But lately, folks have really been enjoying my videos and my photography tips, and the response has been phenomenal with over 6 million views in just over a year. So much that I've decided to create my first wildlife photography course by partnering with the Journal of Wildlife Photography, an amazing digital magazine and learning resource with free monthly training and photo contests, an online community of photographers who just love photography and love wildlife. Together we're launching Wildlife Photo Essentials with Simon d'Entremont, equipment, settings, and techniques. In this course, targeted at people early in their photography journey all the way to intermediate, you'll learn to master your gear and how to get it set up to get those amazing artistic wildlife shots, including techniques for nailing fast action and birds in flight. You'll learn all about lighting scenarios like backlit and side lit, how to get sharp and top quality images, how to take prettier, artful photos, and field techniques to put all these tips into action out there in nature. And you asked for it, so I've also included 2 whole modules on image processing. In all, there are over 4 hours of never-before-seen instruction in 16 modules, sharing my best tricks, many I've never shared before. I've included 4 free modules, including 3 behind-the-scenes modules to take you through live wildlife photo sessions in the field where I walk you through each step I take to get the shot. That's 5.5 hours of content in all. While I'm confident you'll love the course, we're offering you a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied. And that's not all. We've partnered with 13 equipment manufacturers, software companies, and printers like Cotton Carrier, Bay Photo, and Think Tank to bring you exclusive discount offers. The course is available starting right now. But everyone who buys the course between now and June 1st will be invited to a 2-hour photo review session with yours truly and the other course participants, and 5 of you will be chosen to have your portfolios critiqued by me and your images processed live by me too. As part of the course, I give participants a 10-photo challenge where I ask you to go and take 10 types of photos that we discuss in the course. And we have a community page at the Journal of Wildlife Photography where you can share your images and get feedback along with other course participants. We'll all interact and learn from each other. But not only that, the first 500 purchases of the course will have a photo contest to show off their new skills, and the winner will win a Canon RF 600mm f4 lens worth 13,000 US dollars, or the equivalent value lens of your favorite brand. I'm not kidding. But remember, you need to be in the first 500. So if you've ever wanted to take your wildlife photography to the next level and take stunning wildlife photos like this, and this, see the link in the notes below, or go to my website where you can find a link to the course details. There you can get more information and even watch the first module, where I explain what the course is all about and what you can expect to learn. Regardless if you just want to do this as a hobby or you aspire to something more, I'm confident there's a great wildlife photographer in all of you just waiting to be discovered. I hope to see you and your photos at our community page very soon.